Okay, hello, greetings everyone. And some of you guys were having problems with the song lyrics verse with your sixth graders with your names. So I thought I would go over it really quick with a video for you so that you can, those of you who were in class, hopefully the second time you'll get it. And hopefully I can add some more details that'll help you. And those of you who were not in class, this might help you. So let me share my screen. Where is that? Oh, oh, in a while. Okay. So I already brought up the slideshow that I had done before. So I'm just going to go through it little by little. Okay, so it starts with here, writing lyrics, writing verses. And for sixth grade, this was good to be the chorus for our project. Okay, so we are writing a song together. It's a group project. And the chorus is like this: Name, name, what's your name? Say it now, let's play a game. Say it high, say it low. Any old way, just don't be slow. I'm going to do it with the beat so you can see here with the beat. Name, name, what's your name? Say it now, let's play a game. Say it high, say it low. Any old way, just don't be slow. And you might be wondering why I have colors on some of the words. Because the words that are the same color, they rhyme. Name, game, low, slow. And I will get more into that later. Okay. Okay, so those of you who were in class, I simplified this. It was a little bit hard to understand before, but lyrics are the words of a song that follow a rhyme scheme most of the time. The verses of the song in our project will contain 4 lines: one, two, three, four, just like chorus here. One, two, three, four. Um, sorry. In order for your lyrics to make sense, they should be connected to a theme. And I'm putting down here what the theme is. Your theme is introduce yourself and your name. I did look through the assignments, especially with class 605. Some people didn't write anything about the theme. They just wrote random stuff. So you're going to have to go back and take a look. Or you didn't put your name in it. Very important. This is your first year in junior high. You've come from different schools. I would like you to get to know each other, and I need to get to know you as well. So here we go. Ideas to consider for beginning your verse. You can either begin with a question or a statement. Did you know I like to swim? My name is Mrs. Wright, and I like to swim. Get attention with definite words, avoiding probably or maybe. Maybe I'd like to write this song to you. I hope you like it. No, 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 no. This is my song. Get it right. My name is Mrs. Wright. Okay. Um, the main idea or title of a song can be at the beginning of a verse or in the chorus. Your main idea is you. Okay. So when you were in class and for the exit, I asked you to do a bubble map for brainstorming ideas. Those of you who made a bubble map and then wrote your verse about something else need to go back to your bubble map. Okay, so this is my bubble map. So I'm going to write my name in the middle. I already did one farther on, so I'm just going to be different. But what are the main things to know about me? Okay, so I am a strings teacher. Okay. What else? Since I'm a strings teacher, it might help you to know that. Okay, so Mrs. Wright plays the violin. What else does Mrs. Wright want you to do? Um, I can be funny when I want to. Okay, but you need to follow rules, and so I'm a little bit strict. Okay, so okay, so that's me as a teacher. Somehow I am going to, as your strings teacher, somehow I am going to make that into a rhyme. Um, but right now, let me just hit hold the back button a million times so it's ready for the next group of people to see. And okay, you'll see another one that I wrote further on. So here it is. All right, so this is one that I wrote before, and I actually have a rhyme written already. It says, Mrs. Wright, getting my name wrong. I will fight you if you mess it up. Getting my name right. I'll be happy if you learn my name. Those of you who wrote that I'm going to fight you in your poem, you copied my idea. Come up with your own idea. Come on. Anyway, um, those of you who haven't done it yet and are confused, this is what it looks like. I just gave you two examples. Okay, here's another one. This is actually for the 7th and 8th graders, but zombies, they're scary. They are coming. They bite people. They are dead. So you got your main idea in the center. You've got your details on the outside. Main idea. And this one, Mrs. Wright, details on the outside. Okay, so in each line of your lyrics, you need to have 6 to 10 syllables. What is a syllable? That is a sound in a word. So, and the reason so people to your from who are listening to your song can feel a musical flow in your lyrics. So go back up to here. Name, name. What's your name? Oh, well, that's only 5. It's 6 to 10 is a rough number. It can be a little more. It can be a little less. Say it now. Let's play a game. That's 7. Say it high, say it low. 6. Any old way, just don't be slow. 8. Okay, so they all kind of fit in that guideline. Okay, why should we rhyme? Rhyming words are remembered more easily. Words complement or go with the melody more effectively, following the shape of the music. Okay, we'll get to that later. It adds rhythm to the feeling of your song. And if the words are clever, it tends to be more emotional, giving them more meaning. Here's an example. Um, Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider that sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. I know, that's babyish, but it works. Little Miss Muffet was just sitting in a chair somewhere. She was eating oatmeal, and a spider came and made her scared. Second example that I did does not sound like a song. It just sounds like me talking. So, Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet. A tuffet is a kind of chair, eating her curds and whey. That's kind of like oatmeal. Along came a spider that sat down beside her. It rhymes and frightened Miss Muffet away. Whey, curds and whey, scared her away. It rhymes. Okay. And I think they only picked tuffet because it rhymes with muffet. Okay. Rhyming tips. There's a website called rhymezone.com that you can use if you're stuck looking for a rhyme, or you can go through the alphabet at bat cat fat blat flat stat drat. Okay. Decide how many syllables you want in your rhyming words. You do not have to have the same amount of syllables. One word can have 1 syllable, and another can have 2 or more. The last syllable of each stanza must rhyme with at least one other line. Okay, so don't make your lines end with all different sounds. That won't work. Rhyme schemes. This is the part that got people a little bit confused. Okay. Rhyming words are labeled with a letter. The first sound that you hear is labeled A. The second sound that you'll hear is labeled B. Anything that rhymes with A is called an A. Anything that rhymes with B is called a B. Anything beyond that, you get more letters. Okay, so there's 3 patterns we're going to use. You choose one. So far, I noticed a lot of people picked 3. A. That means all the lines rhyme. Okay, so number 1, traditional rhyming scheme. A, B, A, B. That means the first and the third line rhyme. Ooh, I can't do that. First and third line. Don't mind me, I'm tired. And Number 2 is the first 2 lines rhyme and then the second 2 lines rhyme. That makes this way or this way. There we go. The third one, all 4 lines rhyme with each other. I will show you examples. Okay, so here's an A, B, A, B. First and third learn lines rhyme. My name is Mrs. Wright, and I like to sing songs. My neighbors complain every night because I sing late and long. So you can see yellow is A, right, and night. That greenish aqua color is B, songs long. The next one is AABB. So the first 2 lines rhyme, and then the second 2 lines rhyme. It goes like this. Mrs. Wright, that's my name. I know how to play this game. I can teach you how to rhyme. Then you can write songs anytime. Notice that rhyme and anytime have different numbers of syllables. Rhyme, 1 syllable. Anytime, 3 syllables. So name and game, AA. Rhyme and anytime, BB. And the third one, strophic, that's AAAA. Could you call me Mrs. Wright? If you don't do it, I will fight. When people get my name just right, it would be my heart's delight. See, right, delight, fight, and right. Okay, A. And this one has 2 syllables, the rest have 1. Next. Okay, and here's my map, so you can see. Here's my poem. Could you call me Mrs. Wright? I started with a question. If you don't do it, I will fight. So here, getting my name wrong, I will fight if you mess it up. This is right. And then, when people get my name just right, it would be my heart's delight. My name right? I would be happy if you learned my name. Could you call me Mrs. Wright? If you don't do it, I will fight. When people get my name just right, it would be my heart's delight. Okay, so these are just quizzes for you that were in the slides. Um, eventually, I'm going to be grading it. This is the grading checklist. It has to have 4 lines. It has to have 6 to 10 syllables. You can hear the rhythm in your words when they're said out loud. It uses one of the 3 rhyme schemes. And you're able to identify the rhyme scheme. So I put in an extra question asking you which one you used, and I'm going to check and see if you got it. All right, so this assignment that I gave this time, basically I'm just looking to see how you're doing. This is a draft. You're not getting a final grade on it, but you will get a 0 if you do not do it, especially if you did not come to class. So please make sure you finish this assignment, especially students in class 605. I notice you have not been doing your exits, which I am going to talk to you about on Wednesday. So anyway, I hope this helps you guys, and I wish you good luck. And as always, where am I? As always, you can ask me questions by writing in the private comments of the assignments. I do see them in my email, and I answer them as soon as I can. So take care, guys. I'm going to hang up now.